This Coldwell Banker Lake Oconee Realty / Lake Country property video is presented by Howard McMichael. Do not miss this excellent opportunity in Chapel Springs. Craftsman style in new condition. This open floor plan features 3 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms on the main level, with large living space, 4th bedroom with full bath on the 2nd level, screened-in porch that overlooks the backyard, located next to the community pool and playground. Be sure to come by and see this opportunity before it is gone. Showing by appointment only. Please call listing agent. For more information, review the details below or contact Howard McMichael at 706-252-8020.